Did you know that a simple yellow spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet might actually help fight cancer? In our previous video, we explored 5 vitamins that naturally help your body stop cancer in its tracks. If you missed that one, be sure to check the link in the top corner of this video or find it down in the description. It's a must watch. Today, we're diving into something even more powerful, turmeric, and exploring what science has to say about its cancer-fighting potential. Welcome to Cure with Food, where we explore the healing power of everyday ingredients. Let's start. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a golden spice that's been used for thousands of years, not just in cooking but also in ancient medicine. It comes from a plant called Curcuma longa, part of the ginger family. So the part we use in food and supplements is the dried and ground root. What makes turmeric so powerful? One word: curcumin. Curcumin is the main active compound in turmeric, and it's the one that gets all the attention from researchers, and for good reason. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer properties. How cancer grows in the body? Before we talk about how turmeric helps, we need to understand what cancer really is. Cancer starts when healthy cells in your body begin to grow and divide uncontrollably. These abnormal cells can form tumors, invade nearby tissues, and even spread to other parts of the body. Inflammation, toxins, and damage to your DNA are just a few of the reasons this might happen. This is where curcumin steps in, and it gets really interesting. What does science say about turmeric and cancer? Many lab studies have shown that curcumin can kill cancer cells, especially in cancers like breast, colon, prostate, and lung. It works by disrupting the way cancer cells grow and multiply, and sometimes even triggering their self-destruction, a process called apoptosis. In animal studies, curcumin has been shown to shrink tumors and slow down their spread. Even more promising, curcumin may help make chemotherapy and radiation more effective by sensitizing cancer cells to treatment. It's not a replacement for medical treatment, but it may support it. How does curcumin work in the body? Curcumin works on several levels. First, it's a powerful antioxidant, meaning it helps fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells and may lead to cancer. Second, it's a strong anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is linked to many types of cancer, and curcumin helps reduce the molecules that cause this inflammation. It also affects how cancer cells communicate, multiply, and survive. So, in simple terms, curcumin creates an environment where cancer cells struggle to thrive. But what are the limitations? Now, let's talk about the catch. Most studies on turmeric and curcumin have been done in test tubes or animals, not in real people. And there's another challenge: your body doesn't absorb curcumin very well. That means if you just eat a little turmeric here and there, your body might not get enough of the active compound to make a big difference. But here's a tip: combining turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, can boost absorption by up to 2000%. And eating it with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado also helps. Can you use turmeric to fight cancer? Science says it has potential, but we're not there yet. Turmeric and curcumin are not magic cures, and they should never replace professional medical advice or cancer treatment. But adding turmeric to your daily meals could support your overall health, reduce inflammation, and help your body defend itself from disease. It's a natural, affordable, and tasty way to care for your body. So here's the bottom line. Turmeric, thanks to curcumin, is a powerful plant with real scientific potential in the fight against cancer. It supports your immune system, reduces harmful inflammation, and may even help slow cancer growth. But it's not a standalone cure. Use it as part of a balanced anti-inflammatory diet and always speak to your doctor about your personal health plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health tips right here on Cure with Food.